My students ask me a lot of questions about AI. Many people are afraid that AI is going to replace people, especially in occupations such as software testing, quality assurance, and maybe even cybersecurity. What I always tell people is that AI is just a tool that makes us more productive, and we need that because obviously the population is aging, and a younger generation needs to be able to produce more, and AI is a great tool for that. As we've seen last year, major IT organizations attempted to lay off people in hopes that AI is going to replace them. Those attempts miserably failed. Now they realize that they are not able to achieve their goals without actual humans at work, and they're hiring people back. Right now, it's a very good time for people to get educated, and we do have a unique curriculum for them. We partner with organizations such as EC Council and help our students to achieve various cybersecurity certifications and degrees, including the ones with no prior IT experience. It's called cybersecurity technician. It's the first step where you start your career in cybersecurity, and this is a valid certification, ANSI-certified, which means that it's accepted by the Department of Defense and all the government defense contractors, private organizations, and you can launch that career right away. Our students are very successful in securing grants. We do have a number of opportunities to complete that degree at no charge, tuition free. Also, we do have extensive curriculum in software testing and quality assurance, and wonderful opportunities in that area. Just recently, my students secured 3 jobs at once. They applied into 3 organizations and got accepted right away. So I'm very proud of their achievement, and we commend them on those achievements. So come and talk to us. We provide academic knowledge, practical hands-on training, and most importantly, we assist people in securing jobs by helping them with mock-up interviews, resume writing, and various job placement assistance tools. So contact us and let's see how we can help you to launch your new career today.